and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Mama achina mema akwaba fambra liga awajumedi su said onim no aha GN radio binada bia ye shia eba wa kwan so ene wo betwetwe nkomo Fortwell Solicitors ye wa hama wo se ensem biara akire wo so efa immigration sensem ho a anase wo mansun bia opese wo twi bia na Fortwell Solicitors ye wa ha se ebinada bia ye beba wa kwan so ne ya baba besom wo na o questions biara ekire wa adwen so no wo wode beba ama lawyer ayi ano fefefe ede ama wo enu nti no said de wonim no show bre na 5 minutes past 10 jumedi ebe sorry so 11 pepepe meeting ede mama le me na medi jumedi hu chia me ene me ne lawyer Patrick ena ebetwetwe enkomo yi na ya besom wo ene anope said de wonim dodo na nim ne say lawyer PK mema wono ankasa introduce ne ho kakra de atre yen ebia ne first time a uti adwumadie said the lawyer be kire na chi kwan kakra de amaye ene e baba bedi nkomo hunsem no henya zambrando hunsensem nyinara ni nyina no ene lawyer ene be go through enti no waba temukutu ebresem no susu ye bebie phone lines no ama wa wo hwe wa wutie ye no oso abusa question biara owo ma lawyer mehu se course bi beba so afekra na ye be hye dwumadi na sintino mintimi mpeke call bi anti so hu se wo frɛ na se memfa enye se bia ma hyeda na emom ebre ne nson se mefa course bia anti no time kutu ye bie lines no etum a ubetimi afrɛ na ode o question aba ama lawyer ayiyi ano de ama min se ebre no sabre ma me ema lawyer akwaba na yemfa dwumadie no enhyehyɛ so lawyer
hello
wa
mi apa mama len afishia pa
afem comment o de benkasa
eno ano
but also ho ye de
me ho ye papa nya me de ache at least ya timi afi January mu ya be pie February mu ya na say ye koye ni ma no
sanity la mama wa kwa ba die mesre wa wankasa introduce hu kakra kire ya hwefo ne ye tiefo emba me mesre wa kakra bi na fe ye good medi
mama le me da say wa mama me sa kwanya Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby biara will be the whole inchia mau. And then I don't pay a Fortwell Solicitors legal and I would day a bit in Punimpu. Midin Eddie Patrick Opoku Boateng. But do run from a lawyer PK, me Juma Fortwell Solicitors. Fortwell Solicitors, your law firm, your whole UK. I have 2 years was here, PC, a boy will be biara, baby biara will be a right Akoshebiana. In areas of law, BTC, immigration law, family law, employment, civil litigation, and awards and probate, you know. In making sure say wow, not what me and yasa or fan who you know award these areas of law. Your numbers not a Google screen, so mean same rebebre. Your best share do my DNA so question bia won't say Bibia actually Subiano after the program no offer your office line and I was offer lawyer PK. Be omodo be na me no edin komo na ncheche mu bi ho nso a metimi aye ede amaw
yo ye beda e lawyer PK ase wa chirechire mu kama ede amaye lawyer ene ya be de na ya bana ene misrewa de ene ewo dwa anase opese o maye die ho komo no misrewa fa ye wramu e maye yensemre
me dase first of all no medical a small update bi anase small ade bia I think that people should be aware of because idea coso at the moment. Union NHS for a year juma krumhan say carers. Let me lose it carers or not bia or care worker bia krumhan say the same union no. Buying a day a yibi a buy a set omunina no will be a caregiver biano uncle war panier nasa panier no. Intimi enchre se owo ho kwan se e wo se oye adwuma e wo kroman se ni nsunsu anso ne koba ye se aban kan se wonwo sa apane na ebre bi bedu a ye be yiwadi nkofo bebre no ye yi omadi before even now the good news ne se aban no eno a omo aba out abeka se omo pese omo go U10 on this. And the country and me decide we to join say ye yiwadi e wo adwuma bi a wo yemu because of say vacinity na wo tifie na ye within 3 months ni na ye pamo wo ebetena afie because of say wo sa apane na for Fortwell Solicitors. This is an employment right or my breaching it very 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 seriously intino me can dey atudwa. In relation to Nia Ekoso now, no, you have been constructively dismissed from your job, which is against your right in employment. Intino fa your numbers. Nani ending komo. Bibi wo ha ye bitimi eye de aboa in that circumstance na ye beye. Seni ekono eba Fortwell Solicitors ye beba maso ate. Na nia ye pese ye de boa mo bia nso no ye de aboa mo. Ye ko ye nim ene dwumadie ni so no. Yenina yebekaya last week and the baby all the platforms because na yatwen ache Zambrano maybe a tremu e could do court of appeal or by my can say omo your margin say home office for appeal against a court of appeal at the moment, you know, almost the verdict number. So I verdict now, but no, and that was but me. I'm not bothered about that verdict because I know for sure, say what the home office are doing, you know, is wrong. Therefore, no, at a point in time, you know, no currently be dead, but obviously, a year emra and amrana, I was say ufamu senior tier echo pim. Ne totroto ansana weti media eden weti media bo ho asafo ne say ntino ebre ni ndu ye verdict na aba no se ne meka no enye ho enkomo ene me ba bedwiridwiri mu wo afidie so na emum no meti hu kakra what ne yakwa sisi ya ne say last week court no a court a share home office say sa kwan na omofa so na omode eyeden eji nkofo Zambrano right afiom sem no enye kwan papa so enye mra enye mra if you say obi biara a owo British child bia wo krom hanum say no sa Zambrano right no owo regardless of say OUC and I say OUC no or was our right no.
Okay.
Therefore, omo ho kwan say omo uses our right now. Momo ho kwan so omo use so. Name no it's unlawful for you the Home Office to say monko na monko ye another application via mubitimi aya you will still have your leave to remain. That is the appendix FMR. A year 2.5 years now. Yenya Home Office a day by say 1 year's application na ye ma Zambrano and na obi de call court. Akodum pempen subia court na ashe Home Office say omonko na omonko ye de omonko rewrite their rules no to fit in with the fact to say obi epese o use Zambrano money uses as Zambrano no on person obi use Zambrano na that is fair enough. That will mean say omo ye primary carers of British citizens no and mofra no omo ye below 18 no omo ho kwan say e wo say omo ye sa application no wahwe no more than 5 years say ne ye can no sa right no regardless of say we use and use it is still there for you. Therefore so wahwe no more than 5 years or ho kwan say or ye indefinite leave to remain and as a settlement or you evoke that right now, you have to give it to that individual. Court a share Home Office said, omonye den omonko rewrite immigration rules in relation to Appendix EU. Na omo fa sa we no enhyem. De omo to amomo. Ye behwe ne omo be. But ene se ne make no. That is not my this topic. That is not what I am going to talk about because a kukudam for bebre akaka ehun ensem Lawyer Dan akoka other platforms so what mu send yen kameso me chirichim na but there is something me pese etiefo ne ahwefo 18 year.
Okay.
During the other time na omo year sa hearing High Court Home Office I appeal against the decision of the High Court Court of Appeal no. There was a consent order be omu mienu that is the claimant no akisenya ne Home Office omu call apam bi meka na apam consent order na ye nyina ye agency baby bi bako hono enna very crucial in asema me ba became I thought to say at Court of Appeal na I thought to say they were going to vary that consent order but me do mo su kono vary that consent order no? And that is very crucial to this Zambrano application. If you say matiti wo baby bebre nkofo bebre kase sa application you know nkofo yes application they should be very very careful. If you say ansha ehunsu so no enye papa omo me chirichiri mu plain words omo pese omo kire say wan hwe na sa Zambrano application na ye ka Fortwell Solicitors ya bohu deruo no anko ye sa 2.5 years in the crana ebe say enya no carry the biarada. Okay, this is one of the consent Home Office any ubi biara or ye Zambrano carer ewo UK abonten so no this is one of the things omu call apam ewo ho say there is no way and under normal circumstance we application A na immediately our application B no application A no it is cancelled automatically but at the moment with this particular consent order now my actually pay say ubetimi aye 2.5 years okay na upese u qualify u situation na uwo no if you are deemed as a Zambrano carer, ubetimi ayes application, under normal circumstance, anka I was say 2.5 years immediately Zambrano application immediately sa 2.5 years in ika. The mesa kan shemu kinam pokra say 2.5 years say as for some reason when yesika I'm fine renew 2.5 years now. Sa Zambrano carer, Zambrano right now, ebo huega as a primary carer no. And no crano say unya u certificate of application adwuma wo ye no. you have to continue to do. Hospital you have to continue.
Okay.
Rent, baby, our rent, you have to continue to rent it. This is something that was said in the case at the High Court. This was Apama Home Office, and obviously Zambrano Kera, I can say Edi Omenim at the court. This was one of the things Apama share, and may cats as a for at to say, ye buy na ye can. Ye bonko for koko se munkoye actually make sure the benefits are umubinya ewo se omoye Zambrano application munkoye ebinumu ekan se case na ensi ye ntimi koya matumi sika egu not knowing say there has been a consent order manim fo bebre enim asema ami ken but it is there. They should go and check it. Consent nature say ubetima yes application in na eden abom. And even say 2.5 years since when yes campuna asempo and even we first time yes application na who ho kwan say yes application wodo a friend is a consent order no mu esukompo a obi a owo krom hanim say a uni nkrata ya che say you didn't kufimpo. Yatini say you overstay. If it comes to light, say, or you're carer of a British child, primary carer of a British child, there was our consent order. And him say, I was say Home Office. Esa mawo pine and mawo letter say, yacho, who kruman him say winning krata. Now so no at this point in your Home Office for us, yes, say catch say. Who can say ultimate yes application? How beautiful is that? Wow. Say Home Office actual say winning crata no mas actual can say this type of application. These are all the things that were in the consent order. Consent order and so it make sure say Home Office for so that it will allow people who want to use that particular route to gain their indefinite leave to remain, and I say to stay in the UK, they can use that Zambrano KRS application, Now omode abo edwa ewo kruma. Intine enano pay me ma etie for act say that law na ifi High Court kinsenya ekodridri ma ba out it is still a good law up until say Bibi Besino time and we were saying it said it is still a good law. Take advantage of it. Because one of the things I was say Abefonia for air aware and he said Emrano SSA send him kakra ewo me addition ambassador no say Emra SSA after Bibi biane eye before biano. Esa after untimi nka say after no eba be affect before no and because me chiri man say ne yes say would 20 years and I said me the example be say before 2014 July near say who krum hanum say now would you 14 years your ma indefinite leave to remain. After that, exercise, say, 13 years a day before, now one year's application, that is it. Name after no, say, now what do 14 and now one where say, 14-year rule was existent, Utini Ecoyesa application. Me person me canning me say, as it is now, Zambrano KRS application, primary care BIA UK, will share. Ubi biara or ye British national or ye below 18 years. Who person who uses Zambrano rights ye diama automatically no. Men can so. Men mo being can't say emrani nyensi intino train na mrani nsi ansana waye. And mo being so nada or say application no uya 2.5 years ne kita no. Say I'm for Zambrano no wa ebeden ebese there be entisa send your matric no benefits I womunti a me pese ye krum for any omo akwanya se e wo se omo ye this particular application, you know. Adia me pese me mu the benefits that are in that type of application. And I say utimi nya sa application and now we are successful. Benefits are a woman no e be na me ba be ka ama etiefo ayede ateno.
Okay.
Say uye Zambrano carer and I say uye primary carer of a British citizen. Now circumstance na ekre say wo na uye carer no. Say ufi krum hanim say echo because of any circumstance biana sa o British child no ono say wo say udi wachi eden echo. If that's the case they are krum ha aban aniwu andini ye. So what shall for 5 years automatically no because of the fact to say home office for previously they were not allowing you no the court is saying say it is wrong. Therefore so what shared about 5 years automatically no your mawo indefinite leave to remain. Whether say this is the first time I will your application, whether say why your application I could do subi o first 2.5 years and also second 2.5 years by virtue of the fact say we are primary carer of a British national o circumstance nature say ye di ufi krum ha kwa abofra no e wo say onu so di ni fi krum akwa if you say oni obi biara obehwe no why shall abofra 5 years automatically no yama win definitely to remain. That is one of the benefits of woman. Okay. The second benefit, I think say no crime man was kind of first was says our application is free of charge.
Free.
You don't pay anything.
Okay.
As opposed and as in comparison to Appendix FM and as 2.5 years, IHS fee inquiry over 1,560. Home office fee is over £1,000. Saisi canon kwa bro over £2,600. Sa application, one of the advantages and also one of the benefits a woman is say you don't have to pay anything. Application free of charge.
Okay.
A biomon another benefit a woman is say you set nkofo bebre wo honoma omunya 2.5 years now. They have to wait 10 years and so no man you indefinite leave to remain. Na se omo wo mo mabi ewu fie omo wo mansa na omo ba krom hanim say ya sa mofra no because omo ni indefinite leave to remain they are not able to bring sa nkola to this country. But immediately ubenya wo indefinite leave to remain and as ubenya wo settlement through this Zambrano carers application straight away ubetimi aba na why application akofa sa abofra na anka utwen 10 years ebi or bepa 18 years no wetima akoye den wetima akofa sa abofra no ayeden abakrom hanum saying ebi omunso one of the benefits are a work sa application we ni say uni nkrata se ni ye nyina yinim no say me ba sesi ana me ni nkrata na me ba be ye me 2.5 years sa application until say ya decided on the application, I am not entitled to anything. Intina and your money could be efficacy 6 months, if it could be efficacy 1 year until say menya me card no. Mean to me and fun could be a bank account. Mean to me and fa enko ye ejuma bia ewo bebia. But in comparison to this appendix EU Zambrano application, immediately I date sa when the certificate of application. The same EU application they are mandated to give you certificate of application. And in that certificate of application, who can say it was set where then would ye juma. Baby na wo current crana sa certificate of application actually say who can say utimi etna krum hanum say. Niebe kwa kusiyama only say application could be efficacy 10 years crana maybe a quantity open a unya den untimintu but bibi biara ubi biara eye wo kroma senior or one krata no ubitini ayebi pepe. These are some of the benefits a woman man will say meant na ho enka se me twen ama court na akodi Supreme Court me train ama Home Office I rewrite how do you call it immigration rules na me who say me fit into it and send a mayor's application, you know. One year about the time obete says our application, you know, say, you know, I could do pempen to be a Home Office a back of where minimum I would be surprised say Home Office will win at the end. Say Zambrano carers cannot make application because you feel EU mono minimum says idea no enya de ebeba so. And so no men train if you say be a trainer or trainer, you might not be lucky enough to hear updates on this type of case. Na afawa say when you be ba ho no na ebia na Home Office rewriting of the immigration rules, you know, maybe there might be a catch somewhere beba say who bet my application, you know, for maybe a specific time of period. After that, you know, one yes application na then above a trim. I don't think you want to be part of it if you know clearly say you qualify to make the application for Zambrano carer. The make a catch this presentation in say match idea ba kwa ye kase ubi Zambrano carer because meaning say nkofo bebre omadwin said because omo British child and as a British abofra bia or ye below 18 bia no ye classify or say we Zambrano carer there be entisa say ye kase ubi Zambrano carer mo yenti ni ye na ye nhye ne nso ansana ye tu anamo if say eno nso betimi ahaw ye kase ubi Zambrano carer sa oni akono or your parent of a British child. That is the first requirement. You have to be a parent of that British child. No? So that British child, who your parent of, who are the primary carer. Your cousin will be a primary carer of someone. What that means, what that means, nene say, wo na ushe abofrano totro. Obi biara ni ho papa biara ni ho mami biara ni ho o hwe sa abofra no abofra ni day to day living una ye una dey abofra ni ko school una dey abofra ni ko GP una will take decisions in abofra ni life the biara abofra ni wo biara no wo na wo de ne ko anasa wo na ukofa no e de ne eba. That is the second requirement. The third requirement, you know, any say who that parent now, we parent of that British child now, we primary carer, who pet and our have of rano. Say a basse ye you if you him say for any reason, ABR, who nisika would be ye appendix FM 2.5 years now. Ye you if you him say ako baby a wufi bae, say ye Ghana, say ye Nigeria. Say yeah, baby biara wufi ba kroman say ya. Sa British child no. The other parent now or one whether so your bema or your bow untini enya ubi biara enhwe no. If you say wo pet and we are the only parent.
Okay.
What that means to that British child no. That Zambrano child and then they say or no so no e was say oyede ufi krum ha eyeden eko. That is the issue. The saint, you know, so I was satisfied above, no, now circumstance, nina, chresene, machimuna. The Home Office, the Embrana is saying, say, the Home Office is wrong to tell you, say, you don't qualify as Zambrano. If you say, it's our case law, no, that was the ethics of that case law. Me, me, cause our case law, send a mechano, and that topic is to let you know. The reason why I was say we take advantage of this particular storm about because we'll be a council. They follow that day now. There were lawyers on it making videos and everything, trying to educate people and that. However, men can and Kaseme Kayamana could do the last resort and sana my application. There's the last results now ebeba no na wanya akwenye ante ebia na wanya sa akwenya wanya na we antimi anye ne ntem. If you say ebia betima ba said as they are going to rewrite the immigration rules, no, they might even put a deadline on it. O pass our deadline now, one share went me anya application. It is still a good law. People have done it. At the moment, when you come to Fortwell Solicitors, we are receiving for people to go and do their biometrics. People are receiving certificate of application. And at a good thing, you cry, child trouble, say, send me say, sa Zambrano Kera status, no. And your status be because of, say, we are primary carer of a British citizen, EU law, no, you derive it automatically. Therefore, say unye application puda. Na say ube yes application na because we are primary carer of a British child, regardless of say why bidao unye bidao, you will still be classified as such. So why a British child up to 5 years you will indefinitely leave to remain. Whether say why yet appendix FM or not. Men can be brave about nkofo taking advantage of it. You train High Court a mom verdict, Court of Appeal, some verdict. I mean, I don't know where you want to hear, what results you want to see, answer our best application. Yes, application, so that you can get your indefinite leave to remain and do whatever you want to do.
Oh. Yabeda eye lawyer PK asepa wa kanse mene dem timi se yate ensem a de ewo yasum isan se obi manso ne ewo na eniema no ye heja eba eye enkrata sema sabre de lawyer ano asi na me ba bebie eye phone lines no de atum se opese wo frɛ na wo question bia bisafa eye ensem a ene lawyer PK de abetu dwa na mesre wa wo ho kwan ana se wo question fufuro bi na ye quick one no so betimi ebusa ama lawyer eyi ano the amount me din ye studio lines no tudwa ebresem de lawyer PK number so betudwa Fortwell Solicitors number so betudwa so pese okohu o mo pese ofre lawyer PK na okohu lawyer PK ani nyina so no me de number ne betudwa the amount sabre de studio lines ne na ye bi atomu numbers no 0203 735 8820 0203 735-8820 and now say 0203-286-0185 0203-286-0185 and that's a frame WhatsApp line ebra 0778-793-9958 ubetimi a text ya ba ubetimi afre ubetimi a audio ni nyina ye bejebre akenkan edi amount WhatsApp line is 0778-793-9958 in sabre de lines na ye bia atum se opese o question bia ubetimi edi abase se ntimu ana mo frefra na menyam bia lines ni ntum sabre bra ubetimi afre na wabisa o question bia opese ubisa na lawyer answer na me ready enya be ma bi de ne question atudwa ewo platform so Facebook answer na me ready no amount no me pese me hu se Zambrano Keres application no omo wo ebra watmi omo de ato ho se okay wahwa akola ne free ebre we ni brewe nti we qualified and say ebre bia end down.
Okay, what we know nene say you immediately you are deemed as primary carer of British child, no. Zambrano carer status, no, it kicks in.
Okay.
But see him say EU application BIA no. Uye within a specific period what type of a year demand. Say unshab frano more than 5 years you will be getting your pre-settlement. Because now 5 years until you will not get your settlement. Okay. Then when we say what frano more than 5 years wo no ebema settlement. If you say right, you know, sending be can you derive it from the one abofrano be British no. And no crime no mesa can although a question will be said mesa timu kakra in relation to if you say you know bian and the ba British from birth.
Yeah.
Uba ebeye British from 10 years going na. One so application ya ye can no. One so
benefit.
Inti no mummy and because and kofo bebre adwin yo say me banner enye British at better media men can because ebi abofra no wedi 10 years now. Yebeka say oye British enche inti no yentimi enye den ye man in derive immediately abofra no be British or you below 18 no. Why should abofra no 1 day 1 year yebema o pre-settlement. So why should no more than 5 years automatically what derive that right into yabema indefinite leave to remain.
Okay. Yabeda say Sabre who share your Facebook abetimi like na wa share ama obi fufro so etimi atie ebi. Okay, nana ya oyechi also pa afe opare so greetings e opare ya jo so pa. Okay, ma menko nana Berlin honom ne question o say Mama Len wakakra ma me entumi boase na menkenkan o say Mama Len I would like to ask lawyer PK. I have a case in the family court under a child arrangement order. Or say MK in the MK family court. Or say the first and second hearing was held in MK family court in the court order child. Okay, maybe in the court order. Okay, the child mother to complete escort. Maybe Mr. Because a one continue. I mean, Ipacho ubetimi di atoso ama me mi producer Mr. Wa fatoso mami na mi ntimi hu ni ye se betimi abanko a. Okay, me da say enya me da so but me hwe de me wo wa ha se metimi ehu ni ye na makenkan ede amaye ya. Okay. All right. Okay. The child mother to complete escort schedule after the first hearing. She refused to fill and complete the escort schedule at second hearing now. Okay. Now the family court had written the next hearing. Okay. Will he okay. If actually the way I was situated and I'm making kindly a story, but then I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, right. Okay. Hearing will be held in the Ranford Court. Okay. I'm so the watching we say, but the person watching say next one no about so Ranford Family Court. Now, a person who say, is it possible to transfer a case from one family court to another family court? Only no person who say, wait me advice no, but the way I was here, no. Amana ne kenkan na star but I think say upese mi ntimu biem kakra eso ema wonti ase ana wa hu the person.
If yeah, me I was thinking differently but obviously
say they was
yeah yemfa say every time we are in the family proceedings yeah hwe bia abofra na te say abofra no local authority no court the nearest court e wo ho no e ho. And I even say me na me application. I'm a collabia. That is where I'm supposed to be doing that application. You know? Right. As to say your best court in the I'm not sure that should happen. Bia na akolano etuafi ho. Ma me na etuafi sa area mo honum. Enunti na bia omo bepese abofra no sa court proceedings na ebe but normally no where they start their court session or proceedings a ho ena ekopim
yo nana me assure say the would buy no lawyer timi ya no e de amount say and
me crowd and now what I was thinking the question would have arrived at and they say unse okaso mo call first and second hearing no
yeah
judge ne ka che oba ne say onko bibi a friend is court schedule.
Yes.
So as court schedule now, meaning said the only time a court be or that will be so on court schedule now is when there is an allegation. If there is an allegation of domestic violence, court na eshewu ni akona will make allegation. He say my at least 5 or 6 instances yeah yes o ni akono
but they haven't also said the lady refused to fill in and complete the escort schedule.
Me now I was thinking so Becca say because the lady refused to complete the court schedule, no, would the court find the allegation of domestic violence against him or not?
Okay.
That is what I thought the question was going to be. I doubt it because court proceedings. Ube two gumbe say ubia you say. But the court will want to define it.
Okay.
Into defining the allegations, a honor normal catcher say, go and put the allegations at least into 5 serious kind or 4 serious kind of allegations. They put it in a Scott schedule. Bring it for us to look at it and probably do a fact-finding hearing, which is part of the proceedings in every family court proceedings.
Okay.
They need to find out what you are saying because you cannot just say Ubi say, then the court will decide. And in this instance, so Obana fasa Scottish I'll be very doubtful say the judge would want to entertain the allegation.
And the person who is our transfer case in a possible, no, they
but I don't think so unless Abofrana FE surgery rejection.
Okay, that was a lawyer. Delvoski Michia baby biara ubiara. The question is how much is the current fee of biometric photo card? Or no necessary question meaning say wait me abuano with that.
Current fee
current fee of biometric photo card.
Yes, because your application it is a process.
Okay.
Into the application, before I access your application, you have to do a biometric assessment first. Answer no more decided. So the fee now will be to and find says a home office fee, £500. It would include the home office fee. Then when they say EU application, if you are free, now so there are certain circumstances and situations who call your biometric card, depending on where you are going to do your biometric and how you want your biometric to be done. Charge some fees if that is what the person is asking.
Okay. Abusi Asha Brenna 10:45 ewa hasi ebe sorry media so 11 pepepe also betimi de o question about ama lawyer PKE ano ama misi numbers ni bi so ama say 0203-735-8820 0203-735-8820 for our question bra na yenyi ano emfa emma anaso betimi atext say de dodo na no na yenyi ano emfa ma fefefe lawyer we say de ne de no person who say or say wo kan ka Zambrano Carers application but person who say obi e wo krom ha say na oni enkrata e de no nipa no betimi aye nya enkrata.
A question every time it comes up when you're doing such a program, but what we just have to let people know say as it is now say ubi busasa question now the question that you throw back to your individual and say upeso kofi and now person that is the first question. If you say this question, I mean maybe we will define what advice I give you. Into then there are vast applications ubetimi aye upese ukofie na wo ho kwan se upese usua de ubetimi akoye student visa na wo de aye wo de aba se wo ye adwuma bi na ye adwuma eye occupation under the occupation shortage list so ubetimi aye add sponsorship na wa aye back we share oba bi wa ha na oba ma bi wa ha whether say EU ni and say or your British ni also kita indefinite leave to remain ubitimi ejina sa onya kono so na why application e de abakom hanum say upese wotina krom hanum say na unya wonkrata and if that is the question first of all I was so wotina krom hanum say 20 years no way you will kill a private life after the 20th year no na what me e de nya wo application. Ibiomunso circumstances now will be a parent of a British child. It will Kurumanum say, and I say a parent of any child be or will live to remain. It will Kurumanum say, for example, say me kushia or baby na obano it will 2.5 years. Na many obano kwa trempana I mean oba na ewo ba abofra na ya wo no because of sending maame ewo 2.5 years no me ye betimi agye 2.5 years ni bi ama abofra no immediately be di 2.5 years na ma abofra no me na me ya abofra no papa no me nso metimi nya 2.5 years ewo abofra no nche enti no krum ha de ye say ube a parent of a British child and I say ube a parent of abofra bi a owo live to remain. These are the two and tisa de ya uko fi nso a nyemedi kan no.
And then ebusia say untra ha for 20 years in the cry na nya so do ho na na de ama no cry so na esa ya bufu na fe na no so say kwaji 2.5 to and anya sanity hard dream pa internet say no na lawyer PK achichiremu de amaye no lawyer bibi ho no mu biem a wo pesa wo de soso de maye ya na the was picking for questions I might.
Yes, at the moment Zambrano carers application no na me gusu bohu de rule.
Okay.
Me gusu bohu de rule pa if you say we don't want a situation whereby say na lawyers neka but na your lawyers and so catch say and who he say ye be application is free. You don't lose anything. Send me can isuro na na ewo mu no. And no na mama wa hu say home office any more akọ apam. Obi oye Zambrano carer bia no ne wakọ apam say under normal circumstances anka we application bia baako essay no. They say no enti sabio. Send me can and even in the consent order. So who need craft ampo na ye chill. Na ye di uko fie. Na home office who say we a parent of a parent of a British child na we a primary carer almost according to the order almost catch will say you've got a type of application that you want to but you can make then they will obviously there will still be one lawyer now why these are some of the things I'm confident say Ubi are taking advantage of making this Zambrano application. I'm hopeful say nyamebe boa ama home office for ebese some my dream in relation to this particular year. But the same America no near Yehuda no inti na ye kanisa bia no more the deadline be abeto because they know definitely say there are so many people who qualify for this type of application and because this Zambrano na nye about what did that but every time be a corner home office across the sun normal cosisano the simple reason they know say people
benefiting
from because at the end of the day say application need free now same person no by application no bring 2,500 why not admin fee for looking at an application form. I think the last time I shared, it was not, I think it was even less than 500, I think it was 200 and something, 270 or something for looking at every application. However, they would want to charge you that exorbitant fee, you know. Into normal my own career application are free. That is why I make say, I'm sure a beba say the deadline be better so. That deadline, one year, you might not be in the position to make that application at that time. You might not even hear about it. Now then, the same, you know, Frey Fortwell Solicitors. Ubana become circumstance, actually, I said, and you'll be satisfied. Zambrano carer. Send me kind cry. And you ubi or kita British child piana or your primary carer. And I say, or your Zambrano carer. Intino, who pesa who say, I'm paso your Zambrano carer. Na say at this moment, Mamu who say you are delaying fire numbers no to screen so not fraying. Any ending come send a munim no Fortwell Solicitors, one of the law firms who UK Obana only be din come for first 15 minutes to 30 minutes now. Yeah, the consultation free. We're just using that to help the community because there are people out there they think say they qualify, they think say they've got some rights, but they don't know anyone to talk to because if you are not union, say or color ya biwa or kana assumption and it's a crabby or one or sandy beach lawyer, which is wrong, That is that is what it's supposed to be because no or Uchane Danka, Uchane staff.
They calculating this out. Yeah, I'm trying to say. If you say who is someone who is going to know, say we are dying, can be your honor, Muchia, Muchia bills name.
Yes, it's just any money na. It's in a Ukolo ya biho na or say or beg Joe consultation fee. Fair enough, but the Fortwell Solicitors no, yeah, they are seeing also say, yeah, they work community no. Brani Indian como 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Bibi wo honey be the aboa ye be the aboa. E bringing soon do and so we will advise you so that you prepare yourself and at the appropriate time no obeba na ne wo say e ma no ya ya mo. Nti mamo ntena ho. Mo me application no. Mo nyesa application no.
You abusia me pa cha me de Fortwell Solicitors number tudwa de ama say opese okohu omo e wo ma so ya omo nipa ho abotre pa mo betie wo nsem ni nyina de ayere so apai so kra na ye o say anida so eni honom no o betimi aboa wo e wo honom nti ne mesro frɛ wo mo e wo 0203 325 7030 eno office line no 0203 325-7030 eno office line no anase so person offer lawyer PK ankasa na okokohu na 078-3334 411 eno lawyer PK number me sisu biem de ama ne number no nice unre mfida se de city no enti 078 3334 4411 my sister no the amount 078-3334-4411 eno lawyer PK number me pacho bomodin ase obekọ akwakohu o mo bekọ omaso ho na woni omatena se epepe mu enema biara opese uhu bia no omo etimi aboa wo ewo sa ekwan no so nti lawyer we no enkyere se nipa ono ne ba na ono ne primary care ema no na nso so se bia wo bia se obi kura na ne wo ho na woni no bia mo twetwe mpana na wo ye involve akwala ne life ma sa nipa no so betimi aye application bi
say unye parent
parent
of primary care and because in Marana say you have to be a parent.
Oh, it is a unye parent kra na say bia akwala no say bi na wofuo bia ne ma me afiri mu na bia obema no de na be ware wa na say bibi sa no kra untimi nye bibi amfa ho
in relation to the Zambrano, you know, you cannot be a primary carer.
Wow.
Of that, because you have to be a parent. That is the start point, you know. Yeah, and the scenario now, the Amanecrano, the only time I joint primary carers, you know, is when mame enin krata, papa enin krata, and so much show mobile, my bofrana Eddie. 10 years na abofrana I be British and no we able to do joint primary care application for them but I know normally in a case however it is possible but in your scenario now the money there who no intimi emeye intimi imagine sa abofrana because unye parent you only become parent biologically and I say through an adoption.
Okay.
Yes.
We say me pacham say very last question. Person who say say no sa EUSS family permit application na you refusing lately no bibi o home betimi aya fa ho ana I don't know.
Say you refuse your application, say your EUSS near refuse your application. Obviously there will be a reason why in tell me they refuse your application. Say you're sick of a bibi bra. And I was saying call the bibi application once ana dia ko. Na wan fan kan wan kwa obviously no. You refuse it, but you refuse what we've realized in the course of this time. When you say there are so many people who are almost shut them, and as somebody among krata a comma among the lawyers. Therefore, no, and you may be one was somebody can application in the qua. They take it for granted.
Yeah.
If you say, no quarry EUSS. The requirements in are very, very limited. Very, very limited. However, say who was so who prove your evidence for an application no improve ya. Obviously, Home Office no say I was a prove ya and say Obeka se wuni. Obeka se wuni ntina wan fan because anka wo de anka de beka. But exactly, but unfortunately for you, you didn't get the correct legal advice. And ntina wan fa evidence na anka. Ntina se you refuse your application na definitely there will be a reason. Or be anyone refusing application. For reasoning, for reason. It is our reason. If it is a reason that you cannot get her, then there is nothing that we can do. But if it's a reason why I rectify, but name maybe a lawyer kuhuna na send your application ni ma no wan fan ka ho a wo be hu ya ye ne wo be di hu nkomo say ye be fresh application ama ye be see ye be admin review ama ye be ye de be court nso ama nso a you be making sure say you be court about na wetimi adwo.
Okay, so this is the reason why anti a so koko hu mranim ni na wetimi echeche enema ani so e de ema isan say empem bebre no say ya na efi so ya betimi aye. It's application be or why straightforward and into say bia wako school kakra wetimi kenkan etene ma bia say wobetimi aye na so na bi mo a wo bon say corners bi hyehyehye ho say nye wadwuma no a wuntimi enhu ne yie e na wo wetimi aka say o we dey say me de ka ho na we ma me mfa nka ho ntino wo dwen ne say o me de kwa sebi Home Office wo te ho no wo teke boxes nti ade no wa hu obe refuse application no nti no wo de ko na say wo di we ka ho na wo say o we de me de kwa bia obe consider me ono nti wo so consider bibia ono ho no mo say ono no nti wo no de na o de benya response everyone say obe refuse now I get it back to him and I say bia we ena me hia nti faka ho nti wan fa nka ho anate se ene ye wara na lawyer bibi o for MK ana bibi so bi pese obehu wo MK.
Oh yes, Milton Keynes send the munyina munim no yenim say most of our community no omo that side of the country nti no ya 2 year ho si ho every Thursday bia ya ko ekuhia mo Bedfordshire Luton mo no mo Northampton mo din mo free your office na you be book appointment amamo every Thursday bia ya wo Milton Keynes from 10 to 4 who book appointment who free your telephone number egu we ni so a no one say we busa say on this Thursday me person me be share mo Milton Keynes and no one say e be ma wo address no na why then waba na wa be share na ya bon komo se ni ye kan no oni e bon komo na bibi o e be ye de atimi de aboa wa na ye na ye de aboa Milton Keynes ye wo ho every Thursday
you ye be da wasese bibi ani ho a wo be pese wo be ka de a na ne ye be ka say thank you so much say next waba be sum ye nyame ya aduma next week yenim se be sa ate Fortwell Solicitors for enka me mom de minim time ametimi ehun but minim se e bete Fortwell Solicitors for enka
well I ba be ya afia na de enka
sa na ya akoye so hu ya akoye bibisa okay
engo ya afia ye be pembre ni ye hia nza na afefufo na sa ba
waka yati enim se yegidi but then thank you so much for coming lawyer. Okay and you know ebusia aha na yedu besie ni aka say ye da se pa se wo ya aso a wutie na da ne da ye ba wutie edwumedie nyame ya adma next week Fortwell Solicitors be sa ba wa kwan so biem na ya ba besom wo legal hour edwumedie so ebre ne so say ye hyase nondu ni asori so du ba ko nti 10 ni asori so 11 and nti nyame inshallah say wo Facebook na wo hwe na wutie edwumedie ya afi no wa ba program yi ebeda GN radio page ho Facebook me pacho bo modern ase obetimi akwakotie na wafa advice edi efrimu so wuntimi share na wuntimi like ya misro a wo like ya ema yehu se dwumedie na ye no wani eje ho se de be ye betimi encourage ye na yetimi di aba wa kwan so abre nyina enti no memetie ni free sa wo dia na se wo like na wo share ama obi foforo so etimi ahwe bi no afa futuo efrimu ana se ono so hu se se bibi se na sese asemoto me ameye enti no wonye ya ye nyame so adwuma se obehye amanyame ehira ofefefe e wo sa kwan no enti no aha ene edu besi medin mama len me ne lawyer PK ene na yesom ye da sese utie ya crow bye lawyer ene bye
yo Ghana for you want inwesi approach my moha ya twedi yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mum yemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akukudro for se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ni nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswell Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors. And